friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Jahan and I'm a student of Legacy Fine Art Academy. Legacy Fine Art Academy is a topmost and famous art institution in Nagaland, and I'm studying since 2 years in this institution, and I practice drawing 3 to 4 hours per day. And in this institution, I am studying since 2 years and I practice drawing 3 to 4 hours daily. So if you want to be a good sketcher, then practice 1 to 2 hours at least per day. And today I'm going to teach and share with you 10 basic shading tips and techniques. And daily I'm going to upload video on this channel to make you better and good on drawing and sketching. So please support me and subscribe my YouTube channel please. And if you like my video, then please like, comment and share my videos. And without wasting time, let's start our video.